Now here's a look at some of the weather conditions we saw earlier today in some of our coverage areas. Lots of heavy rainfall and enabling strong thunderstorms moved through the area pretty quickly, but it was enough to cause damage to some parts of the city. And you can see the strong winds that blew through these trees. This was also in Abilene. If you can see it from home, the strong gusts caused the rain to fall nearly sideways. And speaking of strong winds, look at the winds over in San Angelo, picking up tarps, sending dust and debris flying through the sky. Now, throughout the day, we've been keeping an eye out on power outages in our area. At one point, we saw more than 700 outages out in Tom Green County. Now, these dots you're seeing represent the range of current outages in certain areas. Right now, we're still seeing about 100 outages in the Concho Valley. The hardest hit area being Cook County, with 87 consumers without power. Crews are working to get power back for everyone as quickly as they can. Now, in North San Angelo, several power lines blown off. Crews were out there working to get them up and running again. Nearby witnesses say this happened around 4:30 in the afternoon, right when wind speeds were at their strongest.